Hello and welcome to this video about the Marantz CD-95. When I say, and often enough, that they don't make them like that anymore, well, this is a prime example of that. On the sides you have those, and they really look superb in real life, those cheeks. These are, I don't know, a kilo and a half? I have no idea, but they're very, very heavy. The lid, as you see, is on the inside is even more interesting than the outside. I have no idea. I mean, this must be for a different model as well, those rails, because they don't mate with anything inside of the player. Or maybe this is just to hold the side, I don't call them side rails or side mounts or whatever it is. But inside it's even more elaborate. Two single crown TDA 1541As. I have no idea what that is. Maybe that's CD text or something. I haven't investigated that. I just opened it up and did a quick test. Probably that is a giveaway of a main problem. You see, if somebody puts a tape to open a drawer, and this is a home attempt at fixing the problem. Screws just fell. So this gentleman from Melbourne, who really, he's very good because he sends me stuff that is pickup only that I buy. He replaced those two belts there, and he wasn't all that successful at in all of that because he lost a spring. I don't know, to open up the door, I won't show you, but he used the cable tie there. Oh, there it is. There it is down there. There's a cable tie where normally, you see it now, you can see it, where the spring is. But I can deal with that. He wasn't successful because other than those belts, there are two more belts here. There's one here that you can see, there's one underneath that you have to replace from the bottom. So you have to do all four for the drawer to go in and out. But that is really, again, that's not such a big deal. What is a big deal is this. You see, all the display segments are lit all the time, and I have to ask what he has done to achieve this. The player is still superb, it still plays CDs, jumps and does everything, but the display is now a major problem. I have no idea. Maybe he'll tell me what he did, and maybe any of you has some idea what happened there. So if I have any better news, I'll make another video. And I just don't want to strain that display. Maybe, not to damage it. And so please, anyone out there knows, because I've never had display. I had plenty of displays that didn't lit up at all, but none that had all the segments light up all the time, permanently. Okay, well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye-bye.